distraction. The day I showed you the door, I saw the real. The only reason why I took you back was my affection for you. She dropped the text like, what's up? Why are we the one and know if we can catch up? Down. I seen that you were single. Went to all your socials. I saw you turn fly, got star, and I know you used to rap. Goddamn, I never knew you can sing like that. I was like, whoa, music is bringing the whole back. Blowing up my phone, asking if we can go back. No, there was a reason to leave. You better stay where you at. I don't wanna go back to those days when you used to stress me with your love. Self-esteem, that's fact. I'm a survivor. I never let no bullshit affects the way my life goes. And if you're tall, you can have what you want. You gotta twist it, find somebody else to fix you. How you having plenty? Went around, got back, expecting to have a treat. Fooling around, posting your ass on IG. You being a G, tell me why am I the one you want?